Hello, everyone. One of the most important things when we are talking about marketing is definitely the leads. And here we are not talking about our little helper leads. We are talking about the real leads that helps you improve your business, strategy, conversions, etc. We use lead ads to identify and track potential customers, collect data for special offers, newsletters, shop openings, downloading apps, papers, etc. Look at them as the potential customers and clients. Now, how does it work? Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leads here. I mean, not lead ad leads, but actual leads, myself. Anyway, how can you create lead ads and collect leads? Use an instant form. This way you can collect information such as name, email address, phone number, day of birth, personal specifics, because in those forms you can include custom questions. This helps you to know more about your potential target group and customers so you can reach your goals. Lead ads can be created in the Ads Manager or from your Facebook page. When people click on your ad, they will be asked to fill out your form. When they fill out the form, they're becoming your lead, and this data you can use afterwards through Ad Manager or your Facebook page or by MailChimp or Salesforce. When you create a leads ad campaign, lead ads appear in Facebook's newsfeed, Facebook Stories, Instant Articles, in-stream videos, Marketplace, Instagram feed, and Instagram Stories. But how to create one? Go to Ads Manager, click on plus Create button, choose the lead generation objective. Click Continue. Add your campaign details and fill all the information needed in the New Campaign segment. New ad set will show up. Name ad set, click on Instant Forms or Calls, then choose the Facebook page you'd like to use to create lead ads. If this is the first time you're creating a lead ad on a Facebook page, you choose Click View Terms. Review them and select I agree to them. Choose the budget, audience, placements, optimization. Remember, you can only show leads ads to people of 18 plus. Add name to your leads ad, again select the Facebook page, and if it's possible, attach your Instagram account. Fill all the necessary data, visuals, and info in the ad setup and the ad creative section. If you're not sure how to do that, check out our video tutorial how to use Facebook's Ads Manager and create campaign and how to create Facebook video / slideshow ad. Now remember to include the call to action button. Which button we'll use depends on what is most relevant to your form. In the question format, select Instant Form. If you choose automated chat instead, you'll encourage people to start a chat with your business in Messenger. Now, if you chose Instant Form, you have several options for creating one. Click Create Form to create a new instant form. In Form Name, type a name. In the Form Type field, choose which type of instant form you would like to use. More volume. This is quick form to complete and submit on a mobile device. Higher intent. Choosing higher intent will add a review step that gives people a chance to confirm their information before submission. In the intro section, add an introduction screen to your instant form. You can use the image from your ad or upload one. Add a greeting, headline, and description. Description can be in your paragraph form or in the list form. Remember that description has to give more info about your business, product, or service. Questions section. Click Add Question to add up to 15 questions. The drop-down menu will show, and it includes several question types. Create a question in the way you want it to be answered. You have multiple choices. You're giving the people different options to choose from. For example, what would you like to try next in our ice cream shop? A. Mango, chocolate, lemon, passion fruit, vanilla. Short answer. You can ask a question that gives people opportunity to write down the short answers. For example, do you prefer our gold line or platinum line of colors? Conditional. Set of questions with conditional answers. Depending on how someone answered a previous question, the specific next question will show up. At this part, you will have to upload a CSV or comma separated values file. And there's a good set of questions if you have a store. Appointment request. Here you can let people request a date and time to make an appointment with your business or service. At any given time, you can add additional questions by clicking on plus add question again. Pre-fill questions. Custom questions allows you to get answers to the questions that are most common and important to your business. You can also include pre-fill questions to ask for users' information. In the description field, inform people how their information will be used or shared. For the purposes stated in this notice, you may only use the information collected in your lead ad. Here's the list of information that you can collect. Add categories by using the Add Category button. Privacy section. Here you can add custom disclaimer, title like terms and conditions, link, text, and URL in the privacy policy field. You can add a custom disclaimer if you want to add additional disclaimers to your instant form. Note that custom disclaimers have no character limit. Completion. Headline. Thanking someone who filled the form. Description. Inviting people to make one step forward. Visit website, shop, exit form, etc. Call to action button and call to action text helps you keep your leads engaged after they submit the form. On the right side of the screen, you'll be able to see your lead ad in different formats. Click the arrows to see how it looks like before you hit the publish button. Click publish when the ad is ready. Click save draft if you think you'll need to make changes later. As I mentioned, once an instant form has been completed, you cannot edit it. Complete the rest of your ad by adding information in the tracking section if applicable. Facebook and Instagram have their own forms, so when a person clicks on your Facebook form, they'll be taken to an on-Facebook instant form. It's the same when it comes to Instagram. Before clicking the submit button, people can change their answers. After they've submitted the form, you can download your leads data directly from Ads Manager or your Facebook page, or connect to a CRM system. Now, when it comes to downloading your leads data from Ads Manager, the leads data can be downloaded via CSV export from Ads Manager, the best for advertisers who created a lead ad from Ads Manager who do not have a CRM system integrated with Facebook, and from your Facebook page, requested through the API, part for developers, or access from an integrated customer relationship management software. Go to Ads Manager and click on the Ads tab. Click on the name of the ad for which you wish to download leads data. Results column. Click on Facebook Leads. Be sure that you're looking at the Ads tab. Go to Use Lead Center, then download new leads or download by date range. Click on Use Lead Center if you want to use and see your leads data on Facebook. This way, Facebook becomes the main center of your data, not the CMR platform or software. Download new leads. Click on that if you want to download the new leads you received since the last time you downloaded your leads. Download by date range. You can use this option if you want to download all leads you received during a certain period of time. Go to Preferred Date Range and click Download. On screen, you'll see CSV or XLS to download file. Please note, remember that lead information is available on Facebook for 90 days. After that period, it can't be downloaded anymore. Be sure to download your leads on a regular basis. Troubleshoot. If you can't access the CSV file, determine whether your leads are customized. Access permissions in Leads Access Manager. If no customization has occurred, only Facebook page admins and users assigned access permissions can download leads. Remember that the other page roles won't be able to download them. All these settings can be managed in Business Manager. Facebook advises you to advise your legal team review the questions you plan to ask on your form and review the Facebook advertising policies. You also need a URL for your organization's privacy policy to include in your form. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leads. You've been very helpful.